today we'll talk about how can you disable data saver on your Telegram X app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you click here on data and storage here. You click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you come to data saver. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean data saver disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.